By default, tables are proposed for rooms and compartments, the building envelope entities, doors and windows. We can rename a table. We can also delete or add a new table. In the first page of the Tables Management Wizard, simply select the object type to generate within the new table. In Tables Property List, you will notice a grid with the various data columns relating to the selected object type, and where the characteristics and properties that relate to the object type can be inserted and sorted. On the right hand side, we can choose whether or not to include that feature in the table. By default, some columns have already been selected, but we can deselect some and activate others. A preview of these tables can also be produced in relation to these choices. We can change the title of the table and its visibility. We can also customize the column, changing the title, and its alignment. So once we've completed the entire process, the table is then regenerated. If we need to make further customizations, we can simply return to the wizard and proceed.